losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Paulit lahat yan, masakayin kita.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Good evening mga kabises, andito na po tayo sa daungan, Nina. Ayun po doon sa aming likod, andyan po yung balsa na, ang tawag dyan? Hindi yan lansya, para siyang barge na doon po sinasakay si Ina. At ngayon pong gabi, andito na po inuwi na ulit sa Basilica. At yun po ang pupuntahan natin. Samantalang pong pagod na pagod kami sa kasalibagan kanina. Kalalakad namin. Tapos, habang pong kami ay pupunta ulit doon sa simbahan, samahan niyo po ulit kami at kayo po ay aming i-tour ulit doon sa loob. Tingnan natin ulit kung ano po ang situation doon. Halimbawa po kayo ngayon. Sabi ko, pag iba yung gabi, iba naman po yung umaga, di ba? Kaya subukan po natin tingnan kung paggabi po, ano kaya sa tingin natin ang magandang pwedeng pasyalan ngayong gabi. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Basilica. Papunta pa lang. Samantalang dito po ang daungan. Samahan niyo po kami.
We're going there.
At pupunta po tayo ngayon sa simbahan. Bye. See you. Masa. Let's go.
Let's go. mami.
What's that smell?
Tutong.
Okay. Mga ka-BSS, andito na po tayo sa entrada ng gate ng Basilica. Ikot po muna tayo dito sa ground. Magpasensya nyo na po, medyo makalat ng kaunti ngayon. Dito na po tayo sa spaceship ng Naga City.
Ha?
Spaceship.
Alien.
It look like a spaceship.
Area 64 confirmed.
We're going to stroll. Kung napasyal pa kayo dito sa Naga at pumunta kayo dito sa at napapunta po kayo sa Basilica.
Sa vlog ko, kuya.
Hello. At napapasyal po kayo sa Basilica. Hindi po ito makikita, oh. Tingnan niyo po. Maganda po, di ba?
Mga picture mo ako dito.
Para siyang spaceship ang design. Sige po, mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo. Medyo makalat po ngayon. Kasi katapos pa lang po ng occasion na. Kaya ganito bang itsura niya. At anyway, huwag nyo naman po munang pansinin yung dumi. Tingnan nyo po naman, oh. Ang view na yan. Para siyang spaceship. Di ba?
Mas maganda in real life.
Oo, para siyang spaceship.
Filipinos
See?
are not, what do you call that
See?
na? Look at this kalat.
Clean.
We Filipinos are not, ano yan, disciplined.
No,
Look at this. Plenty
we
of-
Filipino a little bit messy.
Philippines only
Okay.
discipline in Korea,
Let's go.
Not ours.
Let's go back to our topic.
Festival.
Can we just go on over there?
Let's just go around the box.
Vicinity of the Basilica Church.
Come. Come.
Plastics.
Okay. Hurry up.
Let's do one quick stroll around the entire place.
Dito. Ayan. Nagsisipaglinis na sila.
Let us pray. Having been made partakers of eternal redemption, we pray, O Lord, that we commemorate the mother of our Son, may glory to
Hi, thanks God. Natapos na po rin namin ngayong hapon. Naikot na namin ang ground. Nakapagsimba na po kami. At ngayon po ay kami po ay uuwi na. Sana po na gusto niyo po yung aming vlog ngayong araw na ito. At sana po, huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming channel, BuhaySariSariBss-Tv. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Lee, where are you? Bye-bye.
Buhay Sari-Sari. Like, share,